Hello, and thank you for joining us today. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Ottawa Law Firm Directory once again, and we want to really put emphasis today on some new search functionality that's been added to the site. So to recap the filtering options that were in place before, we have the three search boxes here at the top of the screen. One of them is a text box, so for example, if I'm looking for a criminal law attorney, I can simply type in criminal, and as you can see, the results are instantly filtered to show me firms that specialize in the area of criminal law. Additionally, we could search by borough. So if I click on Barrhaven, the results will filter once again to only show me law firms from Barrhaven. And the same goes with the postal code search, where you can find a law firm based on a postal code. But it gets better now. We have added a new level of filtering which focuses around the practice areas that you see on every result. So what you can do now is, let's say you're looking for a real estate lawyer. You can simply put your mouse over the real estate attorney tag here under the practice areas, and if you click on it, it will refilter the list to only show you law firms that deal with real estate law. The same goes if you're looking for a public notary. Just click on Notary Public, and the results are instantly filtered to show you firms that offer those services. So this makes finding a local service provider much easier and much faster. If you're looking for a divorce lawyer, click on Divorce Lawyer, and up comes a series of firms that you can consult with. Now, the rest of the site's functionality remains exactly the same. You can click on a button to visit a website for any of the directory entries. You can click on a button to find out where they're located. It'll pick up on a map and show you where they are. And you can even read the reviews for a given service provider. So everything works extremely well. Everything's very fast, very responsive. And these new search buttons that you see in the practice areas just take the directory to the next level. If you're a law firm in Ottawa, this is one directory you want to be listed on. And we've tried to include as many local law firms as we could, but as we know, some law firms close down, others open up. It's really not a static industry. It's very much dynamic. So if you're a lawyer in Ottawa, I would strongly encourage you to come to the bottom of the site and hit the Add a Site button and learn more about how you can get your site listed. So I hope this video was of use. Again, the website is Ottawa Lawyer Directory.com, and you can find a link to it in the video description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.